If your rap track sounds muddy, flat, or just weak, this is why. You're skipping the right steps to mix and master it professionally. Let's fix that right now. First things first, label and color code every track. Vocals, ad-libs, beats, FX. Trust me, clean sessions equals clean mixes. Remove unwanted noise. Use RX spectral denoise, or NS1 on vocals. Time-align doubles and ad-libs using Vocaline or manual slip editing. Gain staging. Set peaks around -12 dBFs to leave headroom. Why? Keeps your mix from clipping later and gives plugins room to breathe. Vocal mixing. 1. Corrective EQ. Use FabFilter Pro Q3 or SSL channel strip. Cut low rumble. Remove boxiness. Tame harshness 2. Compression. Use Waves or Vox, CLA2A, or FabFilter Pro C2. Put a 3 to -6 decibels, gain reduction, fast attack, medium release. Why? Levels out performance, keeps vocals up front. 3 de-esser. Use Waves, sibilance, or FabFilter Pro DS. Why? Tames harsh S sounds without dulling the highs. 4. Tone EQ. Pultec EQ P1A, Moog EQ4, or Neve EQ. Why use it? Adds warmth, air, and shine to rap vocals. 5. Saturation. Decapitator, RC20, or FabFilter Saturn II. Why? Adds harmonic richness and grit perfect for aggressive bars. 6. Reverb and delay reverb. Valhalla Room or UA-DMT140. For delay, use Echo Boy or H-Delay. Why? Rap is mostly dry use. Delay throws or subtle room for vibe. Beat mix. Now we treat the beat like its own ecosystem. 1. Kick and bass relationship. Sidechain bass to kick using FabFilter Pro C2. Why? Creates space so low end isn't muddy. 2. EQ Pro Q3. Subtle cuts where vocal lives. Why? Lets vocals sit better. 3. Bus compression. Use SSLG Bus, API 2500. Why? Glues beat elements together. Master bus mix. Vocal plus beat balance. Vocals too loud equals karaoke. Too low equals amateur. Find the balance. Use VU meters or LUFS monitoring. Next, stereo imaging. Use Ozone Imager or wider. Why use it? Widen the beat but keep vocals mono-centered for punch. Final bus processing. Tape saturation. Glue compression limiter. FabFilter limiter. FabFilter Pro L2. Invisible limiter. Why? Adds character, consistency, and loudness. Mastering. If your mix is solid, mastering is finesse, not surgery. 1. EQ touch-up. Use slight smile curve. Multiband compression. Control. Low mids and highs. Use Ozone 11, T-Rax, or Slate FGX. That's why. Balance and control dynamics across frequencies. 3. Limiting to final loudness. Aim for -8 to -9 LUFS for competitive rap loudness without distortion. Use True Peak Limiter set to -0.1 dBTP. That's how you take a raw project recording and turn it into a streaming-ready banger. Clean mix, clear vocals, punchy beats mastered to move the crowd. Like if this helped, comment what track you're working on. And subscribe for more Wild One tips to improve your overall mixes.